Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for NRI category seats in deemed universities that come under MCC counseling for the year 2019. All the information in this video is based on 2019 admission. Now let's me start with the NRI seats that got filled in 2019 college wise. So I'm going to look at how much seats are getting filled up. So we are going to look at the seats that get filled up in round 1, round 2 and until mop up round. So I'm not going to talk about the stray vacancy round. I'm only going to talk about until the mop up round which MCC conducts. So first of all, these are the 7 colleges where all the NRI seats have been filled up in 2019. That is 100% of the seats. Which are those institutes? Hamdard Institute, New Delhi, Amrita Kochi, Sri Ramachandra Medical College in Chennai, KMC Manipal, JLN Medical College, Belagavi, Yenipoya Mangalore, and KS Hegde Medical College, Mangalore. So these are the 7 colleges in which all the 100% seats, that is the NRI category seats, got filled up even before the stray vacancy round. Some colleges have 15 seats, some colleges have 38 seats, right? So these are the colleges probably that are popular among NRI candidates. Now moving further, SRM Medical College almost got its seats filled up except one. KMC Mangalore also like 89% of the seats got filled up. JSS Medical College in Mysore, Karnataka, again that is also around 83% of the seats got filled up. So these are the most popular colleges among NRI candidates. Going further down, Kalinga Institute got about 73% of the seats filled up. SBK Shah Institute in Gujarat had 64%. Savita in Chennai 50%. Out of the 22 seats, only 11 seats got filled up. BV Deemed University in Pune, SDU Kolar, and Krishna Institute in Maharashtra, all these around 43% of the seats got filled up. And then BV Deemed University, Sangli, Mahatma Gandhi, Puducherry, and Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar, they are all around the 20-25% mark. Institute, Mullana, only about 14%. Chettinad Medical College in near Chennai, only 13% of the seats got filled up. And BLDE University, Bijapur, also only 13%. Then the next 4 colleges, that is Vinayaka Missions Karaikal, Rajarajeswari Bangalore, JLN Medical College Varda, and Sri Balaji Medical College Chennai, they all just got one admission. How many? Only one admission in each of these colleges. Even though JLN Medical College and Sri Balaji have 38 seats, out of 38, only one candidate have joined under NRI category. Now, even worse, below this, about 15 colleges, not even one candidate have joined. That is DY Patil Navi Mumbai, DY Patil Pune, DY Patil Kolhapur, Rural Medical College and PIMS Loni. All these colleges, not even one candidate have joined. Geetam Institute, MGM Aurangabad, MGM Navi Mumbai, ACS Medical College Chennai, Meenakshi Medical College Chennai, Sri Satya Sai Medical College near Chennai, Sri Lakshmi Narayana Medical College Puducherry, Sri Siddhartha T. Begur, Sri Siddhartha Tumkur, and then Arupadai Vidu. All these colleges, not even one candidate during the 3 rounds of counseling. Vinayaka Mission Salem, again no candidate. And Santosh Medical College is unique because they don't have any NRI seats. They only fill all the seats under management category. They are not filling any seats under NRI seats in 2019. So if you look at the total quantity, We had about 1068 NRI seats available under deemed universities in 2019, but out of that, only 35% of the seats were filled in the first three rounds. So that left about 697 seats vacant, and these 697 seats were surrendered to deemed universities for stray vacancy round. So all these 697 plus seats were filled through stray vacancy round by the colleges themselves. Now let's move further. Let's look at the cutoff marks until mop-up round for the NRI category in 2019. Of course, I'm only going to talk about those 7 colleges where all the 100% seats were filled until mop-up round. So I'm not going to talk about the cutoff in terms of stray vacancy round. I'm only talking about the cutoff until mop-up round. Hamdard, the cutoff was All India rank 2,94,000 and equivalent NEET marks 279. Amrita Kochi, All India rank 6,13,000 and NEET marks 155. Sri Ramachandra Medical College, All India rank 6,15,000, NEET marks 154. KMC Manipal, All India rank 6,28,000, NEET marks 151. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belagavi, All India rank 6,83,000, NEET marks 138. Enipoya, Mangalore, All India rank 7,76,000, NEET marks 119. KS Hegde Medical College, Mangalore, All India rank 8,33,000 and NEET marks just 109 marks. As long as you pass the NEET exam and you are an NRI candidate, you can be assured of a seat in a deemed university. So if you can afford the deemed university's fees, you can choose one of the best deemed universities in India through NRI quota. So I hope this information is useful to you. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.